Have you ever wondered why there are rings on your earphone and headphone pins? The rings on earphone and headphone pins, also known as TRS connectors, serve a specific purpose in audio communication and connectivity. These rings are part of a standardized design that allows for different types of audio signals and functions to be transmitted through a single connector. The number of rings on the plug determines the capabilities of the audio jack. Here's a breakdown of what each ring represents. Tip. The tip is the furthest end of the plug and is responsible for carrying the left or mono audio signal. Ring. The first ring from the tip carries the right audio signal in stereo setups. In mono setups, it can carry additional audio signals or be used for other purposes. Sleeve. The sleeve is the longest section of the plug and functions as the common ground or return path for both the left and right audio signals. In addition to this, it can also carry other signals like microphone input, control signals, or other functionalities. When you have a standard stereo headphone, you'll often find a plug with two rings, one for the left channel and one for the right channel. In more advanced setups, such as headphones with built-in microphones, used for phone calls or gaming voice chat, you might find plugs with three rings, one for the left channel, one for the right channel, and one for the microphone input. In summary, the rings on earphone and headphone pins are a clever design that allows for versatile audio connectivity by enabling different audio signals and functions to be carried through a single connector.